This channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to fix pay on delivery not available in Amazon. The first thing you need to do is quite simple. Pay on delivery availability in Amazon depends on several factors, and there isn't a single setting you can change to guarantee it will be available for all your purchases. Now here's a breakdown of why it might not be available and what you can do. Now the reason it might not be available could be 1. Your location, as PIN code. Amazon states that POD is not available for all PIN codes due to limitations of their courier services. This is the most common reason. Unfortunately, you cannot directly change this. Next is the item type. Certain items, especially high-value products or those from international sellers, might not be eligible for pay on delivery. Then also depends on the seller. If you are purchasing from a third-party seller, they might not offer POD as a payment option. Also, there might be a maximum order value for POD. For example, in some regions, it is limited to orders below a certain amount. If you have a history of frequent order cancellations or delivery refusals with POD, Amazon might restrict this option for your account. If you have a gift card balance in your Amazon account and it covers the full order amount, the POD option might not be displayed. You may need to deselect the gift card balance on the payment page to see if POD becomes available. Items sold and shipped from Amazon US or UK are generally not eligible for POD. Orders being shipped to Amazon Hub locker or counter locations usually do not have the POD option. So what can you do? 1. Ensure your shipping address with the correct PIN code is selected before proceeding to payment. The availability of POD is determined by your PIN code. 2. Add the desired items to your cart and go to checkout. The available payment options, including POD, if eligible, will be displayed on the payment selection page. If POD is not listed, it is likely unavailable for your current order due to one of the reasons we mentioned before. So if POD is essential, try searching for similar items from different sellers as their payment options might vary. If you believe POD should be available for your location at the item you are trying to purchase, you can contact Amazon customer service to inquire about the specific issue with your order or account. They can provide the most accurate reason for the unavailability of POD in your case. You can usually find the customer service or help section on the Amazon website or app. So it's as simple as that. It's important for you to know that there is no direct setting or fix you can apply to your Amazon account to universally enable POD if it is not offered based on the factors we've already mentioned. The availability is dynamic and depends on the specifics of each order and your location. Hope you found this video helpful.